again. This is the letter A. This is the lowercase a. The letter A makes the ah sound, like in the word apple. The letter A. See you soon. This is the letter B. This is the lowercase b. And the letter B makes the B sound, like in the word ball. Oh, hi there. This is the letter C. This is the lowercase c. The letter C makes the k sound, like in the word cat. The letter C. See you later. This is the letter D. And this is the lowercase d. D makes the D sound, like in the word duck. That's the letter D. This is the letter E. And this is the lowercase e. E makes the sound, like in the word egg. Whoa! The letter E. This is the letter F. This is the lowercase f. And the letter F makes the f sound, like in the word frog. Those are funny frogs. This is the letter G. This is the lowercase g. G makes the g sound, like in the word grapes. G as in grapes. This is the letter H. This is the lowercase h. H makes the h sound, like in the word horse. This is my favorite part. H as in horse. This is the letter I. This is the lowercase I. The letter I makes the I sound, like in the word igloo. It's cozy in here. The letter I. Having a picnic. This is the letter J. And this is the lowercase j. J makes the j sound, like in the word jam. J as in jam. Thanks, Sandy. Let's learn a letter. This is the letter K. And this is the lowercase k. K makes the k sound, like in the word kite. Hooray for the letter K! This is the letter L. And this is the lowercase l. L makes the ol sound, like in the word lion. The letter L. Whoa! This is the letter M. This is the lowercase m. The letter M makes the sound, like in the word milk. The letter M. Bye. This is the letter N. And this is the lowercase n. N makes the sound. Oh, like in the word noodles. N as in noodles. This is the letter O. And this is the lowercase o. And the letter O makes the sound, like in the word octopus. It's a pool party. The letter O. This is the letter P. This is the lowercase p. The letter P makes the p sound, like in the word pizza. Yummy! The letter P. This This is the letter Q. And this is the lowercase q. Q makes the qu sound, like in the word queen. Q as in Queen Rhea. This is the letter R. This is the lowercase r. The letter R makes the sound, like in the word rat. Oh, why, thank you. The letter R. This is the letter S. This is the lowercase s. The letter S makes the s sound, like in the word star. Ooh. The letter S. Bye. Hi there. This is the letter T. This is the lowercase t. The letter T makes the t sound, like in the word truck. The letter T. Bye! This is the letter U. And this is the lowercase u. U makes the sound, like in the word umbrella. Huh. Just in time. The letter U. This is the letter V. And this is the lowercase v. V makes the v sound, like in the word violin. Oh, that sounded so beautiful. This is the letter W. And this is the lowercase w. W makes the w sound, like in the word whale. That's the letter W. Dr. Olo here. This is the letter X. And this is the lowercase x, like in the word X-ray. Oh, check that out! X as in X-ray. Here is the letter Y. And here is the lowercase y. Y makes the y sound, like in the word yo-yo. Show them, Sandy. Sandy and the letter Y. This is the letter Z. And this is the lowercase z. Z makes the z sound, like in the word zebra.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.